Today I'm going to share with everyone the assembly process of this rechargeable solar fan. Here's the solar fan packing box. After unpacking, there will be some accessory for this fan, like this one, solar AC power charging cable, 1.5 meter long, have one small screwdriver. This is the fit ring of brake cover, and this is the fit knob of brake. In addition, this fan is equipped with 3 orange fan blades. Here the metal cover for the fan, front and back cover, and this is the big fit ring of fan cover. This is the assembled fan head. There will be waterproof protective cover at the access position. Take it out and can use it then. Fan's pedestal. There are some function buttons on it. And on the back side, built-in large capacity lead-acid battery, it can work for a long time. We can assemble according to this introduction manual. Now let's start to assembling. First, we fit the back cover on the fan head. Inside the back cover is the wall probe aligned with the fan head position. When we align the position, screw the fan back cover fit ring into it. Screw it to the point where it can be screwed in. You can see this and it's easy to fit. The second step, we start to fit the fan brace. The back of the fan brace also have a cut aligned with the access position. After align the position, put it in the right place. Then fit it with the fan brace fit knob and screw it in. After screw and fit, then it can change the fan brace. The third step, we're going to fit the fan cover with the big fit ring. And notice that there are 4 tracks in this big fit ring, so we only fit the fan cover on the middle 2 tracks. Then we can take small screwdriver to loosen the screws first, so that make it easier to trap the fan cover. After we trap the one cover, put the other one on it and fit it. Then we check whether it is correct. Or no problem, we use the screwdriver to tighten the screws on the big fit ring. So next, we connect the white connector under the fan head to the white connector at the fan's pedestal. After it is connected, it can work. Then fit the fan head onto the fan's pedestal. Put all the wire into slot. After pressing in, the assembly is completed. We take out the waterproof cover and press the power button. You can see the fan working now. And this fan has 2 speed controls. First speed, second speed. It can turn up and down 90 degrees, left and right 170 degrees. Also have an LED lighting, high and low control. In addition to charging by AC power, this fan can also support charging by the solar panel. So the rechargeable fan assembly process is completed. Thank you for watching.